Parallel lines are a pair of straight lines in a two-dimensional Euclidean space that maintain a constant distance between each other and never intersect, regardless of their extension in both directions. They have the same gradient. So say the gradient of line L1 is M1 and the gradient of line L2 is M2, then M1 is equal to M2 and L1 and M2 are parallel, and vice versa. To determine if two lines are parallel, first rearrange into the gradient intercept form. Then compare the coefficients of x, and if they are equal, then the lines are parallel. Let's look at an example to get a better understanding of this. A line passes through the point 5, -2 and is parallel to the line with the following equation. Find the equation of the line in y equals mx plus b. So let's first rearrange the given equation into the gradient intercept form to find the gradient. So we have 2x minus 5y is equal to 3, which will become 5y is equal to 2x minus 3, which is y is equal to 2 over 5x minus 3 over 5. So we can see the gradient is right here. So therefore, m is equal to 2 over 5. Now let's use the point gradient formula. So let's identify x1 comma y1 is equal to 5 comma -2, and m, as we just calculated, is just 2 over 5. So now let's plug everything in. So y plus 2 is equal to 2 over 5 times x minus 5. Now we can expand the bracket, so it's y plus 2 is equal to 2 over 5x minus 10 over 5. And we can bring the 2 over to the right side, so it is y is equal to 2 over 5x minus 4.
Please like and subscribe, please.